Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 Ecoboost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the XLT black appearance package and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch of course, backup camera. We do have a nice gripped running board with the side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors, front park sensing, two tow hooks. We have a block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space. We got 2 cup holders right there, a 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 just right there. And of course, if you need more space, you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats. The same black sport cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Your parking brake lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener are just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 6.3 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main screen here, you have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Taking a look over here, we have a leather-wrapped gear shift with your speed adjusters. It's also collapsible. Storage here, cup holders, fair bit of storage there with the USB-C, leather-wrapped center console with 2 USB-Cs down there. We have our drive modes, rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, heated seats with your dual climate, 12-volt, 120. Clicking there, you do get storage there, as well as above. We do have a rear window opener, which is pretty handy. We have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, traction, and we do get BLUECRUISE in this vehicle as well, which is pretty nice. And looking at your main screen here, you have your audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation of course, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi, apps in general, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE32950, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.